In this video, you will learn how to fix your device isn't compatible with this version of Android. This issue often appears when you try to install a new app from the Google Play Store. It can be frustrating, especially if you really want to use that app. But don't worry, there are some easy steps you can take to fix this problem. First things first, let's check for software updates. Start by swiping down from the top of your screen. This reveals the notification panel. Now, tap on the gear icon, located at the top right corner, to access your settings. Once you're on the settings page, scroll all the way down until you reach Software Update. Tap on it. Next, tap on Download and Install. Your device will check for any available updates. If a new software update is available, tap on the Update button at the bottom. Make sure your device is connected to Wi-Fi and has sufficient battery life before proceeding. After downloading, follow any prompts to install it. Once completed, check if this resolves your compatibility issue. If you're still facing issues after updating, let's try uninstalling updates for Google Play Store. Go back into Settings. Tap on Apps. In this menu, tap on the Search button at the top right corner. Type in Google Play Store and hit Search. Select Google Play Store from the search results. Now tap on those three little dots at the top right corner of your screen. From here, choose Uninstall Updates. You'll see a pop-up asking if you want to replace this app with its factory version. Tap OK to confirm. It's crucial to restart your device. This allows all changes made during this process to take effect properly. And there you have it. By following these steps, updating your software and resetting Google Play Store, you should be able to resolve that annoying compatibility issue. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.